HiTeach has powerful electronic whiteboard functions and can import various materials, including PPT, PDF, Excel quizzes, images, and audio or video files. In desktop mode, simply drag a PPT file onto the HiTeach icon. An open file window will automatically pop up. You can choose to open the file or import pages, and the material will be added to whiteboard mode. If you choose Attach, the file will be added as an attachment on the page, allowing you to open it at any time during class. You can also select Extern Open to open the material in PowerPoint, which can be used with either transparent mode or desktop mode. After importing PPT pages, you can browse all the pages in the Pages window on the left. You can drag to reorder them and use color markers to tag pages for easy identification when using the differentiated push feature. The editing buttons at the bottom allow you to add, delete, or duplicate pages. You can also select multiple pages at once for editing, and click the Expand button to view up to 35 pages at a time. For larger presentations, you can use the Page Editing menu to quickly navigate to a specific page. PowerPoint objects imported into HiTeach retain their original formats. In whiteboard mode, these objects can be locked, moved, enlarged, shrunk, rotated, mirrored, or set to infinite copy. This allows you to leverage HiTeach's powerful interactive features.